Hello? Hello?
Do you love me, Matthew?
Who is this?
A dream written down becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. And a plan backed up by action becomes a reality. So Adicha Tikoncha, and I go by the name of Masiko Madiko, otherwise known as Momo. And today I've prepared a presentation to talk about my experiences as a South African exchange student living in Thailand under COVID-19. I hope you enjoy. Kapkan kha.
Thank you. This way, please, just your right straight over here.
Thank you so much.
I arrived in Thailand on the 9th of January 2020 in the southernmost white sand province called Songkhla. In the 5 months that I've been living here, I've been living with my first host family, the Dongnim family.
And this is my sister.
And as far as relationships go, let's just say there isn't a Dongnim family member, extended family included, that I haven't been introduced to. They're the most loving and welcoming family I've ever come across. Shortly before the lockdown, I also got to experience brief schooling in Thailand. From the teachers to the students, even the monkeys that literally used to visit me in class. Trust me when I say the Thai culture, the Thai people, they definitely rank the highest when it comes to taking care of people, when it comes to being friendly, when it comes to loving. Not a day passed without me being taught about the culture by the students. Not a day passed without an invitation for me to share lunch with the students. They were always willing to teach and to accommodate me. One of my highlights of being at school is witnessing the farewell ceremony of high school seniors. And I had to say goodbye to some of my closest friends that I had made in the little time we had. And it was really beautiful. After 42 confirmed COVID cases, on the 30th of April, Songkhla, Thailand takes a curfew approach where people's freedom of movement is prohibited after the hours of 10 p.m. The country was shutting down. Now, as you can imagine, many exchange students around this time took the decision to return to their home countries. But I, for one, decided to stay, which was allowed by the district on the condition that I remain quarantined with my host family until the situation got better. And from the month of April going on to the month of June, I've been in lockdown ever since. Now, where service is concerned, I have been involved in multiple projects during the pandemic, all established by my host club, the Rotary Club of Songkla. From weekly food drives to masks and sanitizer giveaways to both local communities and public health facilities. Now, apart from all those projects, there was one project that stood up for me in particular. The customized UVC box distribution. What the club did is that they joined forces with the engineering faculty of the University of Songkla and distributed these boxes to communities where they would sterilize masks, they would sterilize coins, they would sterilize banknotes. And I think it was such a brilliant idea for the club to come up with such an easy and underrated approach to controlling the spread of the virus. I thought it was exceptional. Now, with all that being said, would I have gone on exchange if I knew about COVID-19? 1,000 times yes, 1,000,000 times yes, without any hesitation. And why? Why am I saying this? Why? Because outside of traveling, language, which I can say is at a pretty good level at this point. There's a very big part of the program, such as culture, people, building those groundbreaking relationships, service, really giving a helping hand to communities in need. These are all things that COVID-19 embraced in our global societies. The pandemic brought us together and took us to a place where we see each other as collectives. And if anything, COVID-19 enhanced my exchange program. It enhanced my exchange experience. So I say it with pride that I was an exchange student during COVID-19.